If you're passionate about change but unsure how to start, listen to Ostallos' powerful words. At the Nale FM Summit in Namibia, with Namibia's Vice President Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, Ostallos captivated everyone with his call for empowerment and unity. He spoke directly to Zimbabweans, urging them to return home, register to vote, and be the changemakers their country needs. Siziva highlighted the power of international solidarity and the importance of the diaspora in driving political transformation. His message was clear: democracy and freedom are within reach if we stand together. He condemned the oppression, the arrests, and the silencing of opposition voices, passionately advocating for a democratic Zimbabwe where every citizen's rights are respected. Siziva's speech wasn't just words, it was a rallying cry for all of Africa, a call for unity, for revolution, and for hope. Because the future of our continent depends on the empowerment, freedom, and voices of its people. Let's rise up together.